In today's episode of our Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sharpen and smoothen photos from looking like this to this. Hey everybody, I welcome you to my channel. If today is your first time, click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates. Now let's jump into the tutorial video. So I'm going to drag and drop my image. I have my image here. But now the first thing I'm going to do is right click on the image and then click on convert to smart objects. Right now head over to the filter tab here and then click on sharpen and then click on smart sharpen. Okay, so we are going to start with the amount. All right, so let's increase the amount to something like 114. all right, good. It's always advisable to keep your sharpness amount to between the ranges of 50 and 150. Good. Now I'm going to increase the radius to 16.4 pixels. Then this is going to be my radius, and then I'm going to push my reduce noise button to, let's say, 43%. Now we can also preview our image here. Now I'm going to leave the shadows and then the highlights as it is. Then I'm going to click on OK. Let me zoom in so that we can see. All right, from here head over to the filter tab again and then click on camera raw filter. Good. Now come to basic. All right, you are just going to do some basic adjustments here. So scroll down to texture clarity in DH. Now change the texture from 0 to 53. All right, so a plus of 53 for the texture. This is good for me. And then come to clarity and then increase the clarity to 46. Okay, and then let's come to BAs. We are going to move the BAs to, let's say, 29 or 30 will be okay. Don't mind the background changing because afterwards you can just change the background. All right, now let's scroll down and then come to details. Now because we already worked on the sharpness with the smart sharpening, right? So we are not going to do anything here. We are going to leave the sharpening under the detail at 0, but then change the noise reduction, all right, to, let's say, 40, and then this is going to help smoothing everything, right? And I'm also going to leave the color noise at 0. Then I'll go ahead and then click on OK. Now let's rasterize the layer and then head over to your select tab, click on subjects and then wait for the subject to be selected because we want to get rid of the background. All right, now go ahead and then add a layer mask and the background is gone. So if you look at this picture here, you can see that it is looking very, very beautiful. Now you can use this method or this trick to sharpen your images for your flyer designs. All right, if you find this video helpful, click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. Until I come your way with another video, I'm out.